Welcome back to Generally In Depth. So today we are going to start off with the process of science and the background knowledge of how science and the process of how it came into the world as we know it today. To start, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle were among the most famous of the Greek philosophers. They were among the first to expand and think about their theories. They often disagreed with each other, but that's often how science works. In the 16th and 17th centuries, innovative thinkers were developing a new way to discover the nature of the world around them. They were developing methods that relied upon making observations of phenomena. So basically, they were way ahead of their time. So now let's dive deeper on how scientists test their ideas. Scientists use the scientific method, which is a method of investigation involving experimentation and observation to acquire new knowledge, solve problems, and answer questions. Here are steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Some terms to definitely know is term number 1, which is experiment, which is a controlled method of testing. Term number 2, independent variable, which is a part of the experiment that is being changed. Term number 3, dependent variable, which is a thing that is observed when the independent variable is being changed. And lastly, controlled variable, which are the things that are kept the same throughout the whole experiment and throughout the trials of the experiment. And I should mention that scientists usually do more than one trial of an experiment to make sure that the data found from the experiment is accurate. Here's the lesson summary. Point 1 is that scientists use experimentation to test their ideas. Point 2 is that in an experiment, it is important to include only one independent variable. Point 3 is that the dependent variable is what is measured or observed as a result of how the independent variable changed. And lastly, point number 4, which is that controlled variables are those which are kept the same throughout various trials of the experiment. Please subscribe if you want to. Comment any suggestions down below. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!